Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to create your website on ZARLA AI. So guys, this is the website as you can see here on the screen. What you have to do guys is just enter your business name here. For example, this is my business name and click this option, create my free website. And after that, wait guys to loading this page. And after that, what you have to do guys, just write your category here. For example, if you website for dog, click this one, dog trainer. You have different category here. Click this one and click next, and write your description here about websites. For example, training. Write a keyword, guys. Description: training dog or dog, as you can see here guys, bow, and click you can add more. This is just example, and click my website, create my website, and you will generate your website as you can see here on the screen. And wait, just wait the link to loading this page guys. And after that, complete your these steps guys, and write your phone number, click open here, and you can edit from here. You can publish this option. You have three dots as you can see here. This you have help option and your website from here. This is the logo as you can see here. You generated logo, beautiful logo as you can see here. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon. So guys, this is look the template of this website. This is articles as you can see here guys, and this is banner, this website dog banner, and this is the review guys about the website. You give you a review, and you can add the contact option here as you can see here guys. You can write name and email and can send. This is contact option guys, click on this one. So guys, see you soon.